Hello everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how to strategically upsell on the purchase receipt page in your WooCommerce and EDD web stores. Using the UpsellMaster Pro plugin, your ultimate solution for seamlessly integrating upsells throughout your website. So how can we do this? First, why is it important to show upsells on the purchase receipt page? Basically, displaying upsells on the purchase receipt page maximizes revenue by capitalizing on the customer's buying intent, encouraging additional purchases, and enhancing overall satisfaction through personalized recommendations. In this example, you can see an upsell carousel on this purchase receipt page. There are also several configuration options you can fine-tune and adjust for the upsells on the purchase receipt page. You can simply go to Upsells menu, Settings, then Purchase Receipt page. Make sure the checkbox for Enable is ticked, and the plugin will automatically show upsell carousels on the purchase receipt page. Then you can see here the options you can change, which is discussed in detail in the plugin documentation page. After making your changes, don't forget to save. That's it. Now you know how to strategically upsell on the purchase receipt page in your WooCommerce and EDD web stores. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips, tricks and know-hows related to this plugin and to many more WooCommerce and Easy Digital Downloads plugin. Also, you can visit us at www.pluginsandsnippets.com. Thank you.